So I guess you're wondering how to record your face and your screen at the same time so you can create pro-looking videos without having to figure out all of the tech. Well, in this video, I have you covered. Right now, I'm using Descript to record my face and my screen at the same time. And what I happen to have open here is my GoodNotes app. But you can record anything on your screen, any piece of software, your Google Slides, your Canva slides. What I love about Descript is you can use it on a Mac or a PC, and you can record your videos with it and then also edit. And when it records your face and your screen, they're two separate files, so you can edit them differently. You can have just your face on screen for a little bit of the time, or just have your slides or your screen, or split them in half, or do a little picture-in-picture scenario. Plus, Descript has some AI functionality, like just turning your video into a transcript automatically and allowing you to edit your video like a document. It's pretty cool. So if you haven't checked out Descript yet, I'll put a link down in the description. By the way, my name is Meredith, and here on this channel, I'm here to help you look good, sound good, and feel good on camera so that you can build your thriving YouTube channel. And I'll put links to everything that I mentioned down in the description below this video. Now, I mentioned that I'm recording my face and I'm recording my screen. They're going to be two separate files, and I'll be able to turn this into a slick YouTube video or even a course video. Now, if that's something that you're trying to do and you need to have those two separate recordings to kind of edit back and forth between them, I highly recommend that you check out ScreenFlow. ScreenFlow is a Mac-only software, but this is my absolute go-to when it comes to screen recordings that are like a tutorial where I'm showing a piece of software, I'm showing how to do something, and I might want to zoom in on a menu or throw an arrow or make it really obvious exactly where I'm clicking on the screen. And similar to Descript, you can record with ScreenFlow and then edit with ScreenFlow. But ScreenFlow specializes in screen recording and screen recording editing, and the features and functions are like absolutely bonkers when it comes to creating really good, easy to follow tutorial style videos. So if that's what you're creating, I highly recommend you check out ScreenFlow. If you're a PC user and you want to use those kinds of robust features and functions for recording your face and your screen and then editing them together, you could look at Camtasia. I've used it a little bit here and there, but I still prefer ScreenFlow, so I always go back to ScreenFlow. But if you don't have a Mac, Camtasia might be the next best option. Now, another easy way to record your face and your screen at the same time would be just to use Zoom. Just download the software, share your screen, and then make sure your camera is on, and you'll be able to do both. There's a couple downsides. One, the quality is not going to be that great. And number two, your files won't be separate. It's going to record your face and your screen all on one file, and you won't be able to later edit your video where you're kind of switching back and forth. And although Zoom would not be my first choice to kind of get the job done for recording your face and your screen at the same time, most of us have it available to us, and it's easy to use in a pinch. And did you also know that Canva has a feature where you can record your face and your screen right within the browser? You don't even have to download any extra software. So for a simple presentation where you want to have your face in the bottom corner, for example, and then be able to show your slides, Canva does this in a really simple, easy to use way. Now, I have a couple more face and screen recording options for you, but if this video has been helpful for you so far, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and follow me here for more tips just like this one. However, if you're recording your face and your screen at the same time to create videos to build your thriving YouTube channel, my best video creation tip is coming up. Number 6, Loom is a great option. If you're going to be recording shorter videos, you can have up to a 5-minute recording time on their free plan, and it's another browser-based option. It's really simple to use. It gives you some control over the size of your face compared to the screen and where you want it to show up on the screen. And Ecamm has been one of my favorite pieces of software for recording my face and screen at the same time. Again, this one is Mac only, but what I love about it is you can have your face in your screen, you can have graphics and images on your screen, you can sort of arrange it and design it however you want to, and then that's how it's going to look when it's done. So you don't have to go in and add graphics when you're editing or figure out where your face is going to be. You set it up like that and then just hit record. You can record anything on your screen in the browser, any piece of software. You can switch out graphics as you're recording. And yes, Ecamm is a live streaming tool, but you can use it just to record videos. Lastly, Riverside is a great option to look into because Riverside prioritizes the quality of the video and of the audio. This is browser-based podcast recording, but you can also record your face and your screen at the same time. And then you'll have a high-quality video recording. Plus, they have some AI transcription tools as well. And I will link to Riverside and all of the other pieces of software that I mentioned down in the description below this video. And I'm also going to link up my camera and my microphone that I use when I'm recording my face and screen at the same time. But when it comes to creating videos like this, your face and screen, or just your face to build your thriving YouTube channel, the most powerful way to do that is to build a web of binge-worthy videos. And I'll queue up my next video here explaining how to create more videos in less time that actually connect with your audience so that you can build your thriving YouTube channel.